Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program which will compare two files and decide based on the comparison which one is the newer. Okay, so before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter two files. First message, enter first file, then the user will be entering the name of the file, sample.txt. Then again it asks the user to enter the second file, then user, let us suppose, enter test.txt. Then based on the comparison made in your program, it should decide which one is newer out of these two files, and you will get messages sample.txt is newer. Okay, so to make the comparison, we require a newer than operator. Okay, so we need to make a comparison between the sample.txt and test.txt. So before making the comparison, first we need to check whether both of these two files exist or not. Okay, so to check, we will use if not exist file name, file1, let us say file1. Okay, file1 is a variable which stores the name of this file, sample.txt. If file1 does not exist, then I will show echo not found. Okay, next, if the same checking I will do for second file, not exist, file2 does not exist, then not found. Okay, if both of these files exist, then I will check another condition. If file 1 is newer than file 2, then I will show a message as file 1 is newer, else file 2 is newer. Okay, so this is the logic for this program. So I will use this logic to write the shell script. I will start the program with the shebang usr bin bash read-p, enter first file. Let us say the name of the file is file1. Next, I will accept second file, enter second file, file2. Okay, then I will check if file1 does not exist, then I will display echo file not found. Then I will check elif if file2 not exist, then I will display file not found. Okay, next elif I will check which one is newer out of those two files. If dollar file1 is newer than dollar file2, then echo dollar file1 is newer, else echo dollar file2 is newer, then end if. Okay, this is a very simple program where we are making a comparison between two files to decide which one is newer. I hope you guys have understood this simple program. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.